to be successful only once. Just how often do you come across this phrase, right? You have to be successful only once. So, this is the message for this week. And let's see who the person is and what success story does that person have. He founded the Detroit automobile company, but he failed. And you know what? He didn't give up. He tried once again. He rose up again on his feet, started his second venture, the Henry Ford Company. But guess what? He failed again. And guess what? He still didn't quit. He tried once again, and finally he found his jackpot, the Ford Motor Company. I guess by now you know I understood who this person is, and this person is none other than Mr. Henry Ford. Some men may succeed because they are destined to, but most men succeed because they are determined to. How true is this statement by Mr. Henry Ford? This is somebody who has pioneered a complete industry and not a business. Let's see what impact he has had. Businessmen create innovative products, massive fortunes, but Henry Ford created an entire industry, a system of production. That is how his impact was. He was awarded Order of the German Eagle. He was awarded the Elliott Crescent Medal. His net worth, adjusted for inflation today, is $200 billion. Can you believe it? This is the person who had a vision. This is the person who built an entire industry, a system of production. The assembly lines that you all see in manufacturing industries today, he was the pioneer of it. So what are the lessons that we can learn here? 1. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again. Like I repeatedly say, failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is a part of success. Never stop learning. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether he's 20 or 60. You have one life and you're here to live, and let's live by learning. And there is no growth without learning. Don't find a fault, find a solution. Now, how many of us in our lives start the blame game when things don't go our way? How many of us are really solution oriented? Ask this question to yourself. And if you're not solution oriented, then you are supposed to be solution oriented. And that is how we grow in our lives. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. This is the quote of Henry Ford, and it is true in its truest sense. And that is what I love about Henry Ford. He never gave up, and he envisioned a whole manufacturing industry. That's it from my side, guys. And if you love this video, please ensure hit the like and subscribe button. This is Nimish here, son of two lovely parents, brother of a beautiful and independent woman. I'm an engineer turned MBA turned senior HR professional turned author and life coach. And my mission in life is to help people realize and achieve their true potential and be their best self. Until next week, next video, take care of yourselves and enjoy life. Thank you so much.